Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw some 2D shapes. So let's start. Octagon shape. This is octagon shape. Cross shape. This is cross shape. Triangle shape, triangle shape, pentagon shape. This is pentagon shape. This is semicircle shape, semicircle shape. Hexagon shape, hexagon shape. Let's learn some colors. Peach color. This is peach color, peach color. This is violet color. This is dark violet color. This is yellow color, yellow color. Orange color, orange color. Red color, red color. Green color. This is green color. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.